Look at this. It's awesome. You try it.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Got another little RC car here. This is the Jiusirace WB12 Pro, a little 12th scale buggy, and this box weighs a lot. So my first impressions when this showed up at my door, when I picked up the box, it weighs a lot, so I instantly threw it onto the scale, and it weighs 5.2 pounds. Ready to run, 80 kilometers per hour, 4-wheel drive, 12th scale, 35C LiPo included. Retails on Amazon for $250. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in picking one of them up. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I think out of all the RC cars that have been sent to me, this has the potential to be one of the better ones. And I'm just simply going off the price point of it. I watched a few videos on it and it seems like it's pretty sick. I do believe this is 3S as well. Let's open it up and find out all the small details. Right on top, looks like we got a bag with some spare parts, a spoiler, and some stickers. And then we have the transmitter right here. Actually, it looks like a pretty decent transmitter. Just enough reach so I could possibly do some one-handed driving, which is great for YouTube videos. And it is in fact a Dumbo RC transmitter. So Dumbo RC makes pretty good stuff. Steering trim. I'm not sure why that's on there twice, but I guess we'll figure that out. And then there is also a throttle trim, which is great because sometimes you want to turn it down if you want to give it to someone else to use. Trigger feels good, wheel feels good. Not bad. It's a pretty decent transmitter, and it's got this like fake looking carbon fiber on it that really makes it pop. Alright, let's get on to the good stuff. Like I said, the first thing that I realize is this box is so heavy. So it looks like we have one 2200 3S LiPo battery with an XT60 on it, a charger, and a cable. We probably won't be using that for this. And then inside we have a couple more spare parts. Now, I actually thought that there was going to be a lot of spare parts simply based on the weight. Alright, we got it out of the box, and I see why it's so heavy now. It actually has a metal chassis. That's actually pretty sweet. Strong power, stable driving. Yo, this thing's sweet, dude. So I don't have very many buggies. The only buggy I have was like a cheap buggy that I got a couple years ago to do a review on, but that had like friction shocks and whatnot. This actually doesn't. This has real oil shocks. I'm kind of sad that I don't work where there's a track anymore, because this would have been perfect to try out on the track as it's an actual buggy. Oh, it comes with 2 batteries. Alright, so we got some nice little tires here, nice and squishy. Buggy style tires, there's not much to them. They're very low profile. We got a, does it say on it? Yes, a 3600 kV 2845 brushless motor back there with a heatsink on it. ESC, I don't know the voltage, we'll have to look that up. With a fan on the top, power switch, waterproof receiver box, a full-size servo. It looks like the dog bones might actually be metal, and then it also has metal steerage linkage. Center drive shaft. It looks like there is a center differential as well as a front and rear, and as I said before, oil-filled shocks. They feel pretty good. It's pretty good suspension on that. And well, the weight is definitely coming from this very nice metal chassis that is also attached to some plastic guards here to keep the rocks away. And I will say this, out of all the buggies we reviewed on this channel, this one is without a doubt the best and highest quality. You can just tell this thing is high quality. I don't foresee this thing being anything but awesome. Parts support, not sure how that's going to go. It is on Amazon, so I'd have to assume all the parts are on there. But yeah, it's not going to be as quick as just going to your local store to get some parts. But overall impressions out of the box, this thing is sweet, dude. I'm really liking it. And you got this nice body, bluish purple. It's actually a gradient, some skid plates on the top, and some cool red and black accents on the side. Alright, I got both batteries charged up. I got the spoiler installed and the stickers on it. It looks really good.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. away as you fade away. As you fade away.
All right, we're here at the park with Clayton, and we have the WB12
All right, let's see it. 3S, right?
3S.
3S buggy.
Whoa,
Holy Hannah.
that's quick, dude.
Yeah, that was the whole power slide right there.
Oh my gosh. I'm shocked how fast that is.
Yeah. Look at that. Power
Sweet.
slide.
Wow, it's a bullet.
All right, I'm gonna come by full throttle. Look at this. It's awesome. You try it. Remember, it's gonna power slide on you.
Wow. I wish we could play this on a track.
Yeah.
I think it needs a little bit less. Is there throttle?
The throttle is right here. I turned it all the way up.
Oh, so there's no steering rate?
No,
Well, that's kind of,
that's okay though.
that's the first downfall, but other than that, servo's fast too. So much power.
It's fast. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's quick. Rocks?
Yeah, let's try it. Are you sure though? Because it's gonna scratch the bottom. You want to just keep it in the grass? Do you want to? It's up to you. It's your car.
I don't know. Those rocks will kill it.
Yeah, it's small. It's so low to the ground too. But we know it's good because that.
If I wasn't a nice person, I would go play with it on a baseball diamond. That's where it would really shine.
Come on, let's go over there. Let's crash the game.
Yeah, I guess just play with the grass then.
I keep it here where it's dry.
I mean, I'm really impressed.
Look at this.
I'm really impressed. Try to keep my back to the wind.
Oh man,
It's really good.
this thing would do great on a track.
This is not a cheap toy, guys. We've done our fair amount of cheap toy RC cars here on Mike's Hobby Planet. This is not one of them.
No, it's not.
This goes for $250. Online, again, parts. You're gonna have to get parts through the internet.
Oh man. Here, you play with it in the grass. See, it grips, doesn't
Tons
it?
of grips. You can't turn the wheel too much because it grips so much.
What I would like to see it at is like in the real pure sand, like at a beach or something. Because I think that thing would do really good in that.
You don't think the beach would have too much small? Well, I've managed to flip it over. Back on the wheels about 3 or 4 times now. Let's try a transition. So smooth.
It is, yes. 4-wheel drive is good on it too. Like really good. Oh man. One thing I will say though, it almost seems like the diffs need just a little bit heavier fluid in it. It's fast. Zoom.
I love it.
It's awesome.
And the remote is awesome.
It's nice.
It's a nice remote.
It is.
So I guess that's it.
It's a good car.
It's a good car. So once again, guys, this is the Jiusirace WB12 Pro. Little 12 scale buggy here. Honestly, I think this is just as good of a competitor as something you would get from like the Ready to Run Team Associated.
Yeah. They're 14 scale.
14 scale.
I would take this over
This
that.
is even bigger.
It's bigger than that, yeah.
Bigger, yep.
It handles good.
It's great. So links in the description, guys. I'm really impressed, and I think we'll probably be getting some more Jiusirace stuff in the future. So if you're into these cars, then make sure you subscribe so you can see what comes next. And thanks for helping me out, Clayton.
Of course. Later.
See ya.